Hey guys, I am Nakul. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought a very different and a very interesting video for you guys. Today we will talk about some very useful and very cool gadgets that you can buy online. Of course, I will provide links to each and every product in the description box below, and if you want to buy any of the product, you can buy them using the below provided links. So let's begin the video. The first product on our list is a very cool and interesting gadget. It is a motion censored solar powered night spotlight. You can use it in the outdoor or in the garden area. As it is a solar powered spotlight, it absorbs sunlight during the day to charge the battery, and it will give you up to 8 to 10 hours of battery with a full charge. It is also water and dust resistant, so it can be used in the outdoors with no problem, and it is also wireless spotlight, so you can set it up very easily. It is a motion censored light, meaning when it senses a motion in its range, it will turn on automatically, and when you move away from the spotlight, it turns off automatically after 30 seconds. You can also turn it on and off manually, and it is a very bright and powerful spotlight with 20 LEDs, and it is a very good product at a very reasonable price of around just 400 rupees. The next product on our list is a very unique toolkit. It is a very useful product which comprises of 10 different tools built into one small package. It has various tools used for day-to-day life, such as the measuring tape, a scissors, a carton opener, a hole puncher, and a sharpener, etc. It is a very compact device and very easy to carry. It is just 5.1 inch long, and it won't take much space on your desk or in your bag. Also, you don't have to buy different products for different uses, as it has many useful tools in just one small package. It is priced around 600 rupees. Definitely go check it out. The next product on our list is a very stylish touch lamp which doubles up as a Bluetooth speaker. It comes with 7 different color lighting modes which you can change by tapping the speaker when it is connected via Bluetooth to your phone. You can also listen to your favorite music as it doubles up as a Bluetooth speaker, and you can also listen to music in the wired mode by using the 3.5 mm audio cable provided in the box. It also has a support of micro SD card, and you can also take and receive calls directly on the speaker when it is connected via your smartphone. It is a very cool and stylish looking accessory and a must have gadget for every bedroom. It is priced around 700 rupees. Go check it out via the link provided in the description below. The next product on our list is a very unique gadget which will surely be loved by kids. It is a 8.5 inch LCD writing tablet. It also comes with a stylus which makes it very easy to write and draw. It comes with a very good screen with very good viewing angles. It is a very well made LCD screen as it doesn't glare and it doesn't emit any harmful radiations. It is also very thin and very light tablet which is also easy to carry. It comes with a clear button which will clean up the whole screen with just one tap. Also, it has a screen lock feature which will prevent the accidental touches to the tablet. It comes with a very long lasting battery which is also replaceable. It is priced just around 300 rupees and is a very good fit for the kids. The next product on our list is for all the DIY lovers. It is a super innovative toolkit which will help you in creating many interesting and fun science projects at home. It also comes with an instruction manual which will help you in building all these science projects. It comes with more than 100 items inside the box, such as 9-volt battery, screws, wires, LED lights, etc., which are very durable and reusable, which you can use to create endless projects. It is priced around 700 rupees and make sure to check it out if you are interested in DIY products. The next product is for all the gaming lovers, especially if you are an old school retro game lover. It is a 400-in-1 retro gaming console. It has a screen size of 3 inches which you can use to play games in handheld mode. It comes with more than 400 games pre-installed. It also comes with a remote and you can connect your console with your TV via the AV port and play these games on the TV with the help of the remote. It has many interesting games such as puzzle games, math games, action games, as well as many retro games such as Super Mario, which will help you in reliving your old school memories. It has a battery life of 6 hours and you can charge the console via the USB cable provided inside the box. It is a very inexpensive console which will cost you around 800 rupees, and also there is a no remote version of the console which will cost you even less. I will link down both the products in the description below and you can buy whichever you like. The next product on our list is a very useful tool for the hikers and the travelers. It is an emergency tool cum flashlight. It comes with 7 flashlight modes with a battery life of up to 6 to 8 hours, and it is a very bright and powerful flashlight which can also be doubled up as an emergency car escaping tool with its window braking and seat belt cutting capabilities. It is water and dust resistant, so it can be easily used outdoors, as well as it has an inbuilt compass which will help you finding your path at unknown places. Another top feature of this tool is it can be used as a power bank to charge your smartphone in case of emergency. Although it has a very small battery size of 2000 mAh, but it is sufficient to provide enough juice for your phone to make that important phone call. It is priced around 1100 rupees and is a must-have accessory for all the travelers. One important thing I forgot to mention is that it is a solar powered light and it will charge by absorbing the sunlight. The last product on our list is for all the working professionals, those who have to give PowerPoint presentations frequently. It is a wireless PowerPoint presenter remote with a very impressive range of up to 100 meters. It has many buttons on it such as page up, page down, play, pause slide, etc. And also it comes with auto laser focus to highlight the point which you are talking about. It is also a very compact device which you can keep in your pocket like a pen. It is priced around 500 rupees. Go check it out. That's it for today guys. Hope you have enjoyed today's video and liked the products we talked about. I have linked all the products in the description box below. You can go and check them out. Also, please subscribe to my channel if not done already and don't miss out on any tech videos. Also, follow me on my social media handles. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, goodbye.